What if I told you that everything you've been taught about cavities is wrong? For decades, we've been led to believe that tooth decay is a one-way street, a battle we're destined to lose against sugar and bacteria, propped up only by expensive dental procedures and chemical-laden toothpastes. But that's the story they want you to believe. The shocking truth is, your body has a powerful built-in system for regrowing and strengthening your teeth naturally. Today, I'm going to reveal 3 insane biohacks that unlock this hidden potential. These are the simple secrets the dental industry hopes you never discover. Let's start with the most powerful tooth repair kit on the planet, and it's already inside your mouth. I'm talking about your saliva. Now, forget everything you think you know. Saliva isn't just water. It's a supersaturated, mineral-rich healing elixir, constantly flowing over your teeth, delivering the exact building blocks of calcium and phosphate needed to rebuild your enamel on a microscopic level. It is your body's natural cavity-fighting solution. So why isn't it working for everyone? Because we are constantly sabotaging it. Every time you take a sip of coffee, tea, or even water, you dilute this powerful liquid. Every time you eat a small snack, you force it to switch from repair mode to digestion mode. Here's the first biohack, and it costs absolutely nothing. Give your mouth time to rest. After you eat a meal, stop everything. No sipping, no snacking for at least an hour, preferably 2. Let that mineral-rich saliva saturate your teeth and do what it was designed to do: rebuild and remineralize. It's that simple. You are literally turning your mouth into a healing environment just by leaving it alone. Once you've unlocked your saliva's healing power, it's time to supercharge it with the right fuel. This is biohack number 2. Now, certain foods like hard cheese and leafy greens can help create a healthy, alkaline environment in your mouth. But there's one specific ingredient that acts like a secret weapon for your teeth. This is a game changer that most people have never heard of. I'm talking about xylitol. Xylitol is a natural sweetener that does 3 incredible things for your oral health. First, it triggers a flood of that mineral-rich saliva we just talked about, putting your tooth repair system into overdrive. Second, it acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your mouth and turning them into powerful allies in your fight against decay. But here's the most insane part. While it feeds the good guys, it starves the harmful, acid-producing bacteria that cause cavities. They try to eat it, but they can't digest it, and it effectively stops them in their tracks. It also makes it harder for plaque to stick to your teeth. The best way to use it? A couple of xylitol mints, or a tiny pinch of granular xylitol dissolved in your mouth after meals. It's a targeted strike against the root cause of decay. Xylitol is just one example of how a single bizarre molecule can completely change the game for your oral health. But what if I told you there's another discovery that's even more powerful? A simple 5-second oral flush that's leaving experts baffled because it instantly dissolves that hidden bacterial biofilm that brushing and flossing can't reach. This is something you have to see for yourself. I've left a link to a free video that explains exactly how this solution works. Just point your phone's camera at the QR code you're seeing on the screen right now to watch it. If you're on a device where that's not easy, don't worry. The link is also pinned at the top of the comments below. Okay, now that you know about that, let's tie it all together with our third and final biohack. Your mouth, just like the rest of your body, operates on a 24-hour clock known as a circadian rhythm. And understanding this rhythm is key. During the middle of the day, your saliva is at its peak quality, thick, protective, and full of minerals. But at night, while you sleep, your saliva production plummets and its quality drops. This makes your teeth incredibly vulnerable. This is why going to bed with a clean mouth is non-negotiable. Using a little xylitol right before you sleep provides a protective shield during this vulnerable period. But this goes even deeper. The minerals in your saliva don't just appear out of nowhere. They come from the food you eat, absorbed through your gut. So a healthy gut is essential for healthy teeth. And how do you ensure those minerals get from your gut to your salivary glands? Circulation. Simple, regular exercise, even just a daily walk, pumps these vital nutrients around your body, ensuring your personal tooth repair kit is always fully stocked. It's a complete system. Eat well, move your body, and respect your mouth's natural rhythm. So there you have it. 3 insane biohacks that work with your body, not against it. 1. Give your mouth time to rest and let your powerful saliva do its job. 2. Supercharge your defenses with the secret weapon, xylitol. And 3. Sync with your body's natural daily rhythm for maximum protection. You don't need an arsenal of expensive products. Your body already possesses the incredible blueprint for healing and strength. You just needed to know how to activate it. You are in control. If you found this information eye-opening, do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe for more health secrets they don't want you to know, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.